Would you like to become a millionaire? It's a desire shared by many, but as it's widely known, it's not a straightforward accomplishment. With the increasing disparity in wealth between the rich and the less privileged, it may appear unreachable for the majority of individuals. According to a report by Credit Suisse, there are approximately 62.5 millionaires worldwide. The United States has the highest number of millionaires, with over 20 million. The number of millionaires has been increasing steadily over the years, with a 11.2% increase from the previous year, despite the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the global economy. Business theorist Thomas J. Stanley, who studied more than 1,000 millionaires for his book The Millionaire Next Door, revealed that 80% of millionaires in the U.S. are self-made and not from inherited wealth. Considering these figures, I am curious about the factors that enable individuals to overcome modest beginnings and realize the American dream of financial success. What are the key requirements for becoming a millionaire without any initial financial advantages? Number 5. Adding to your skill set. To increase your savings and investments, you can either decrease your expenses or increase your income. While most financial advisors emphasize cutting expenses, it's also crucial to focus on increasing your income. As an employee, you can enhance your skills by enrolling in professional courses and continuously developing your career. Improving both hard and soft skills can help you secure promotions or better job offers from other firms, leading to higher income. If you own a small business, it's essential to deepen your understanding of the market, invest more in innovation, and offer more value to customers. These actions can help you gain a larger market share and increase your revenue. Number 4. More is needed than just high income. It's important to recognize that having a high income alone is insufficient. It's a common misconception to assume that a high salary automatically results in financial success, but in reality, this is unlikely. To accumulate wealth, it's necessary to actively manage your expenses and make deliberate investment choices. Money loses its value over time due to inflation, which refers to the rise in the prices of goods and services. Therefore, to build wealth, it is essential to invest your money in various wealth-building avenues, such as the stock market, real estate, a business, or any other suitable option. Simply letting your money sit idle will not lead to wealth creation. Number 3. Create your own path. Wealth building is not a universal process that fits everyone. Regardless of the approach, what counts is your commitment to consistency. Striving to achieve an arbitrary standard of wealth creation can be exhausting. Nevertheless, irrespective of the strategy, maintaining consistency is crucial. Irrespective of your desire to attain millionaire status, you can enhance your chances of earning more money by reevaluating your attitude towards it, regardless of the wealth-building avenue you choose. While money may not guarantee happiness, having wealth can provide access to opportunities and possibly a superior standard of living. Number 2. Savings from your income. Although the 50-30-20 rule is a good starting point, you can significantly increase your savings by putting in extra effort. When you are committed to building wealth, you will discover many items in your budget that you can reduce or eliminate. Many communities today promote extreme saving strategies with the financial independence. Retire Early FIRE movement being one of the most popular. The FIRE movement encourages adherents to save a large percentage of their monthly income, with one of its founders, Jacob Lunk Fisker, advocating for investing between 60% to 80% of one's monthly income. Fisker retired at the age of 33 and now lives on a modest yearly income outside of Chicago. Fisker and other leaders in the FIRE movement have built large communities based on the success of their personal finance experiments, which often involve creating or building things instead of buying them to reduce expenses and avoid consumerism. While saving 60% to 80% of your income may be an ambitious goal, it highlights the many opportunities for cutting expenses that you may not have explored yet. Number 1. Mindset is everything. Building wealth goes beyond just developing millionaire habits or making wise investments, as it involves addressing the systemic and psychological obstacles that hinder individuals from marginalized backgrounds who lack access to financial resources. In my opinion, the initial step towards achieving financial success is to shift your mindset and cultivate a mental disposition that is conducive to wealth. This involves acknowledging that wealth is within reach and recognizing your own worthiness of achieving it, in spite of societal barriers designed to prevent it. Without this mental drive, other strategies aimed at building wealth may not be effective. Having an open mindset, which involves believing that resources and opportunities are plentiful for everyone, usually demands a deliberate attempt for many of us. This is particularly valid for individuals who were raised with inadequate resources and limited exposure to affluence. If you don't alter your mindset and start believing that you deserve wealth, irrespective of your starting point, you may end up missing out on significant opportunities. We hope you found these steps helpful. Stay focused and determined, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. Keep learning, growing, and adapting your strategies as you progress. Until next time, keep working towards your financial dreams.